Umkhumbi oyisibhedlela osuka eChina utheleke eKapa ngoLwesine lwedlule. Lesi sikhungo sezempilo sombutho wamasosha kuleli sinemishini yezempilo esezingeni eliphezulu, kanti semukela iziguli ezingaphezulu kwama700 ngosuku.
Kudala ndinale pain ilapha eback, ndingayazi ba yenziwa yintoni. Ihamba nomlenze, umlenze lona ufuna uba lame. Ndaqonda uba andiyazi kuqhubeka ntoni. Ifriend yami eseBhayi yandithumelela into yoba mandize apha ndizojongwa apha, ngeza ke. Xa ndifika apha ndifika kwisibhedlele esiselwandle emanzini esixilonga kamnandi, uyathunyelwa kwi-CT scan, yonke into iyenziwa.
Lesi sibhedlela sinethimba lezisebenzi zezempilo eziqeqeshiwe ezingaphezulu kwe100 ezizolekelela ukunciphisa ukusilela emuva kokulashwa kweziguli.
The SHIB is provide a well comprehensive healthcare system where you get from primary healthcare to secondary and tertiary healthcare. So you're able to get your dental services, eye services here, surgery, and also there's a component of traditional medicine integrated in the system as well.
Umbutho ozokuvikela kuleli SANDF uthi unethemba lokuthi lokhu kusebenzisana kwezinhlaka zezempilo ezahlukene phakathi kweChina neNingizimu Afrika kuzosiza imiphakathi ngezempilo ezifanele.
We use different methods including cupping, including moxibustion, also acupuncture, whereby we insert needles in the body to heal different kind of ailments depending on the diagnosis made by the practitioner.
Lesi sibhedlela sizohlala eKapa kuze kube mhla zingama29 kwephezulu.